Hey YouTubers, my babe and I are gonna go out to lunch and then we're gonna go see the Tift Nature Preserve. God damn it. Yes, the Tift Nature Preserve, whatever, the Tift Nature. And we already had our first little argument. Couldn't figure out where in the hell we wanted to go for dinner.
Lunch.
A lunch, god damn it. See, she's correcting me already. Shut the F up. No.
I can't be the only one. There's two of us, so I can't be the only one to decide where we want to go for lunch. I mean, you gotta give me some input here.
I do, but places you're picking are like dinner worthy. but that's what we're gonna do today. So we're going where for lunch?
I believe it's called the Sheridan Family Restaurant.
Okay.
I'm not sure on the name, but
okay.
That's what I thought it was.
Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna enjoy a little bit of lunch, and then we're gonna go to the Tift Preserve, and we'll film there, you know, at the preserve. Maybe a little bit at the shared restaurant. We'll see. just to show you guys what it's like on the inside. You know, their food servings and all that. We've been there before, and it's okay. It's pretty good. But no news on the houses yet. We're still looking. See, we got some hoping that we'll be able to see on Saturday. But okay, guys.
We'll film then too.
Yeah, we'll film on the way there if we get, you know, if we're able to go and tour them. A couple of them are rented out, so we'll have to see. But till the next video, guys. We'll see ya. Love you all. Hey YouTubers, do you see my babe's sandwich in there anywhere?
I guess I just ordered all chips.
That actually looks good though.
I bet it will be.
And that's mine. I'll be stealing some of your chips. But that does look good though. But we're gonna eat now, so we'll see you later, guys. Hey guys, we just finished lunch and we're on our way to the preserve, to the I'm saying it wrong again, Tift Nature Preserve. Not Nift Nature Preserve.
Take exit 5161.
We're using directions again. Lunch was good, wasn't it, babe?
Yeah, it was. My chips were delicious.
The chips were delicious. Delightful.
Because from the looks of it, that's all I had.
Were your chips. But yeah, so we're on our way there now. It'll take about 20 minutes to get there, and then we'll end up filming when we get there. Get a little sightseeing going. I figured my baby's off today, why not? Don't have any houses to see. Didn't feel like sitting around the house today. Yeah. Got a nice day out, as you can tell. Nice day out. So we'll pick up when we get there, guys, alright? See you then. Hey there, YouTubers, we made it. Here we are, we made it. The Tift Nature Preserve, and I'm not about to get hit, so. Maximum 6 feet because of COVID. Let's check out the little bit of areas here. There's my babe. There's my babe right there. Enter and exit here. So is that like the trail there? Like a trail here, or? Is this a trail? Is this like a trail? There's the map's right there, so right here. This looks like a little trail here even. But we'll take like little filming throughout our thing. We're just gonna figure this out now. We'll catch you in a few minutes, guys. Love ya. You gonna get pictures? There's my babe. I am proud of her. I'm very proud of her. But check out this view, guys. Look at this water. We're hoping to find a home out near the water, but isn't this gorgeous? This is gorgeous. I love it. You know, foot traffic only, guys.
God damn.
Nice one, babe.
Thanks.
But no, it's actually a dam.
It's one of my best.
Look at that though, guys. Look at that. That is gorgeous. For living in the Buffalo area all of our lives,
Yeah,
and
I can't believe
we've never been here. You know? I mean, where's the water? Not too high.
Below.
Way down low. Where are you over there? Yeah, probably over there. Goose over there. I mean, this is nice though. It's really like look at this. Uh-oh. We got a decision, guys. Oh boy, babe.
If anyone's watching, should we go left, right?
Trail rerouted. So we can go to Mosquito Jet. What? Or to Heritage.
Let's go to Heritage.
Heritage?
I hate mosquitoes,
Okay, well we're gonna
they love me.
travel down Heritage, but we're going down to Heritage Boardwalk, guys. At the boardwalk. We're supposed to keep it quiet, actually. Shh, it's a nature preserve. Shh. It's not a library. Dude, it wouldn't have mattered. Oh, wait a minute. Oh boy, okay. We're gonna get lost, guys. Thank God we have a map, but yeah, we're just gonna take a little walk here, enjoy ourselves. We'll catch up with you soon, all right? See ya, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, I'm kind of whispering, but this bird is pretty close. Oh my God. I'm magnified on it, but look at that thing, that's gorgeous. That is so beautiful. My Lord. If I zoom out, you'll see how close it really is. This is about how close we are to it. That is gorgeous. Look at that thing. Oh my God. I'm zoomed in 10 times, babe. And it's really close. It's a gorgeous thing. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna stop filming because I'm going to enjoy this moment. Okay, guys? Catching a few. Hey guys, check this out. Check that out. I don't know if I was bitten by something, but that's what it feels like, because it's like here, and it's like my knee a little bit. Look at that. Dude, we're on the hunt for Bigfoot.
Yes, we are.
This is the Bigfoot expedition, guys. We just saw a chipmunk too. But yeah. But just wanted to show you this. We are now apparently on Rabbit Run. We got off a Heritage Boardwalk and we're on Rabbit Run. And you're a dog? Okay. Is that a dog?
I think so.
How's my coloring?
A little white.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here for now, guys. We'll pick up again in a little bit. All right, catch you soon. Bye-bye. Well, that was the shortest trail possible. Do you want to turn around and go the other way on the Nettle Trail? Yeah, so let's just turn around and go back the other way. Just showing you some more trails, guys. This is Nettle Trail. I mean, there seems to be a lot of trails here. It just led back to the Heritage Boardwalk. So, but I mean, yeah, you see behind us there. Here we are. I mean, this is really, it is really, it's a gorgeous area back there. I mean, look at that. It's just, it is really beautiful here. I mean, this is surprising, you know, for our area. It's really just, it's something. I'm surprised. I really am surprised here. But once we get to more scenic spot, I'll pull this out and film there, guys. All right, love ya. Hey guys, we're just leaving now. It was like what, almost 2 hours? We did there. That was fun, guys. Tiring, but let me see where we gotta go because we're gonna be turning right when we get to up there to
Turn
Furman.
right onto Furman Boulevard.
Or Furman. But we're pooped. We're gonna be sore tomorrow. I know I will, especially with my arthritis and stuff. And I know my babe will with the fibro, but that was well worth it. That was definitely some gorgeous sights out there. We gotta get some grocery shopping done. I hope we have the energy for it. We need cold drinks.
In 1.3 miles, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Outer Harbour Drive.
You got that? At the roundabout, we're going to take the first exit at the Outer Harbour Drive. But yeah, I'm sure my foundation is all coming off because I'm like sweating from that. But we're gonna go grocery shopping now, and I may or may not race tomorrow. We'll see, depending how much pain I'm in. Oh, well, I got double chins. Anyways, I'm gonna get this edited either later or editing I can do tomorrow. That'd be no problem also. But yeah, we had a fun time, babe, right? So we'll go get the grocery shopping done and get
1 mile at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Outer Harbour Drive.
And then we're going to get back to the fur babies and just relax for the rest of the day and enjoy one another and like I said, our fur babies. And I will catch you all, if not tomorrow, Friday, definitely. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. Love one another. And remember, donate. That's the big one. Donate. Love you all. See you next time. I'm going straight, apparently.